All right. So let's go through how to set up a print driver for what we're going to do. I just chose a random file. Some of this is similar to what you're used to. Some of it's not. So we're going to go Photoshop Print and bring up the Photoshop dialog. And we're going to go Photoshop Manages Color. And we're going to go up to Premium Luster Photo Paper 260. And I'm choosing 260 because 260 references the paper weight of roll paper. The other is intended for sheets. All right, and we'll go normal printing, relative color metric. Let's go up to print settings. Actually, change the printer. So I have to change this in a minute. Okay. So when I hit print settings, this takes me into the Epson driver. And what I want to look at and what you need to know and understand is paper size. So if I choose this will be roll paper because all of the printers default to roll paper. But I'm printing on 24-inch paper. So what I want to do is create a custom paper size. I'm going to go down to Manage Custom Sizes. I'm going to click on the plus sign to create a new preset. I can click on this to change it to, let's go 24 test. All right, this is what you need to remember. The width of the paper always goes first. So this would be 24 inches. And then I could make this, well, it needs to be bigger than 10. So let's just leave it at 11, but you cannot transpose these. If 24 inches is in the height, then instead of printing horizontally, you'll get one long thin strip on the right side going vertically. So make sure the paper width always goes first. All right, so that's done. Click on the drop-down menu, go to print settings. Okay, it says roll paper, media type is 260. Okay, so what is all this anyway? Super microwave references the number of passes the print head goes over each pixel. If you turn it off, it's 4. If you turn it on, it's 8. High speed reflects whether it's the print head's printing in both directions, down the paper and back up. In the past, it was felt that you should turn it off for better quality. I've read since then, that's not the case. Finest detail is actually intended for vector-based images. So if you're printing from Illustrator, for instance, it's a good idea to turn this on. So I'm going to leave that where it is. This is great for color. If I go to roll paper settings, I need to look at this on occasion because I need to look at the cutter settings. Right now, this is a normal cut. I could turn this off, and this will override whatever settings are on the printer. So the printer could say, I have roll paper and to cut it. But if I go in here and turn that off, it's not going to cut. So I check that. I can go in here and change things like the platen gap if it's really thick paper. If for some reason, say Pictorial, I don't usually use that in a roll machine, but I could increase the drying time. Or if I'm printing glossy paper, I might. And I think you probably know how to do a black and white print, so I'm not going to go there. All right. So we are good to go. And I could go ahead and hit print, which should be fine. All right, so everything that I've showed you in these 3 videos applies to all of the large format printers. So if you have questions and there's a particular area you need answered, loading or the menu bar, whatever, you can just look in the video that covers that. Okay, great, thank you.